guys, a long time no see. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So first of all, please ignore the random background that you see behind me. For those of you guys who don't know, we just started the process of moving. We're closing on our first home, I think this Friday. So yeah, the house is kind of a wreck right now. So I have no idea where my usual background is. So again, please ignore the background. It's been a good couple of months since I've posted a video here on YouTube. Life's been crazy. Those of you guys subscribed to me know that I've been a little bit busy. Back in February, I gave birth to my daughter. And she is right here beside me. If you guys can't hear her making her little noises. So here is the princess herself. Say hi, Trinity. Hello. Here, I'll hold her up to the camera so you guys can see. Say hi, Trinity. Say hi. Hi. So this little booger is 5 weeks old, going on 6 weeks in a couple of days. She's been keeping me very busy. I've had several sleepless nights, but I love it. And I know a couple of you guys have asked me, so real quickly, her name is Trinity Hope Morrissey, and she was born February 23rd at 6:30 in the morning. I think that's right. And she weighed 6 pounds. She was 20 inches long, and she's currently like 8 pounds. So she's growing, and she obviously is not impressed right now by mommy's makeup video. But it's okay. She's so cute. I'll forgive her. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed meeting little Miss Trinity. But for now, you're gonna go back and see Daddy. Yeah, so Mommy can finish the rest of her video. Oh my goodness, what a big yawn. All right, I'm gonna take her downstairs to her father, and I will be right back. On to today's video. I wanted to keep this video super simple and super easy because now that I'm a mom, I know just how little time moms really have to themselves. So I narrowed it down to 3 simple, super easy steps that I'm very confident that anyone watching this video can replicate. This video is going to be more about techniques and actual products that I'm using. However, the products that I'm using in today's video, I do highly recommend because they are going to do the job. If you would like to see how to conceal the tired mommy eyes in 3 easy steps, then just keep watching. Getting started, I already did this off camera, but I used the e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer and then the Nivea Post Shave Balm as a primer. Going in with foundation, I'm using the new Tarte Shape Tape Foundation and just applying that with the foundation brush. So this really is the first step in concealing those dark under eyes. I would recommend getting full coverage if you have a lot of blemishes and if you have really dark under eye circles. Otherwise, you could probably just go with a light to medium coverage foundation. So I'm just buffing this in to the skin, and as you can tell, this foundation is super full coverage, and you can already see the difference in how much it already concealed. Going in with its counterpart, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, this concealer is full coverage, so this will conceal anything you wanted to cover up. So I just literally applied like the smallest little dot, and that will do the job. And then to buff that out, I'm using the applicating tip from the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Not the product itself, just the tip. And then I'm buffing that out into a pie shape or a V. And as you can see, I'm taking that product all the way underneath my eye and out towards my hairline at an upward slant. And that really just opens up the eyes. It makes it look a lot more awake, especially those of us moms who are super tired. It just creates that optical illusion that you are more awake than you actually are. To buff in the concealer, I'm using the new Contour Beauty Sponge from Morphe, and it has the perfect shape and angles to really buff this concealer in perfectly. And now, as you can tell, we got the coverage going. That's why I wanted to do half my face and leave the other half undone. That way you can kind of see the comparison and just the difference in concealing your under eye circles. To set the concealer, I'm using the contour palette from Wet n Wild. It's like $5, and this is seriously the best setting powder ever. I use this every single day to set my under eye area, and then to apply that I'm using the blush brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and just to apply that I just lightly tap it under my under eye area using small stippling motions. And I'll do another side by side. You can see the major difference in concealing, and it only takes a couple minutes, so it's perfect for busy moms on the go. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you found it a help. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what other like tips and tricks type of videos you guys would like to see in the future, and I will try to put that together. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave if you haven't already, to see more videos like this. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.